I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
We're going to do our regular green smoothie that we absolutely love. And so we're first of all going to put our regular greens, like we have a combination of greens that you can see in another video. And we're going to be adding those first. And then Kathy will add some of the other fruit.
So we have water and ice in the blender already. And then we have a little bit of limeade. The limeade is really nice to help cut the greens just a little bit.
Okay, so we'll add a little pineapple.
Some peaches. And extra.
I'm going to add a little bit of stevia to that. You can put agave, you can add honey, whatever you like. And what is your favorite sweetener?
Bananas, we need mangoes.
Okay. And then we'll be adding mangoes.
Might as well finish it off.
All right. So it's going to be a little noisy. We're just going to blend it up. Okay, all right, so that is our green smoothie.
Okay, I need to taste it. That's really good.
We do actually drink this quite a bit, don't we, in the morning? And it just gives you the greens that you need for the day, and you don't really worry about the rest. So
it gives me energy, I find, and all the fiber's intact, and it's so easy just to throw it in dry and blend it up. So
comment below what you actually add to your green smoothie, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so.
And remember to hit the notification bell so that you can be reminded every time we post a video. Hope you liked it, and remember,
you can do this too.